Hi guys, welcome. Today we're going to be unboxing this bad boy, the Ryobi 40 horsepower 2 battery taking electric lawnmower. What comes in the box? 2 batteries, charger, some stuff, some more stuff. I'll put the model number on the screen here so you can see what that is. This is the bracing for the bag, which the bag goes on. You can see it's got the plastic cover in there, or bottom. You got a side chute, and I'm guessing this is for the mulch. Yep, mulch plug. And of course the lawnmower. It's the battery compartment. 2 batteries, one here, one here. They do not use both of them at the same time. You pull this out, and if you're running on this one, it will be this way, pointing to that one. When that one runs out, you flip it to that side. This is the only part that actually needs to be assembled. These are the parts that rest on there. It will rest like this, so that kind of tells me that this slides in here like so. So you're just taking these flaps and folding them over here like so. Just kind of grab them, flip them up, push them down. There you go. There is your bag. Bottom on one side, not on the rest. As far as the side discharge goes, there's 2 holes. Lift this up right here and right here. Gonna set this in there like so. Let it go. It's in there. As far as the mulch plug goes, this thing, lift this up. This little clip here goes with this. Not go too far, and there you go. Once you see it's there, mulch plug is in. Okay, so super convenient. Literally just grab this and lift it up, and it snaps into place. You can see there's 2 spots. You flip this, you can lower it a little bit for someone who's a little shorter, raise it up for someone who's a little taller. That is actually really neat. That is like super convenient that you can do that with one hand. As far as controls, this is your speed control. This is like super granny mode. It's like really slow. This is maybe walking speed. It's not really that fast. I will show you. Same as any other lawnmower. You need to hold this to run the engine. Push this button. That's it. So the self-propelled thing is actually really good. It is rear wheel drive. My old one over here was front wheel drive. It takes a little bit of getting used to, but it don't take but a couple turns. You're like, oh, that's right, those don't turn anymore, because usually when you go and you turn and you lift up the front, the wheels are spinning. Well, now the back wheels are spinning, so it's kind of pulling you. So 100% charged. I don't know if you can see all the green, but they're all green. No, I don't have a huge yard. It is maybe, I don't know, 25 by 50 or 60. Cut the backyard with just that one battery. I was down to 1 light, so 25% and under. So I mean, battery life wasn't great, but I will be able to cut my entire lawn with both batteries, 1 charge. So that's good. The overall verdict is that I'm actually kind of impressed with a electric lawnmower. Overall, I would probably, given the build quality, the convenience of it, of getting it stowed up by being able to fold the handle, be 8 out of 10 right now. Long term, we'll see how that goes. You know, I'll probably do another video like this in 3 months, let you know how it's going, because I cut my grass probably once or twice a week, depending on how much it rains. But Yeah, I'll use the hell out of that thing, so we'll see how that goes. Let me know if you have anything in mind that you want to see for a review. Otherwise, leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Oh.